Factorize the following. Again, factorization means product of things, right? So we need to express, let's write and understand what is that we are looking at. 8p cube. 8 is nothing but 2 cube, right? So 2p the whole cube. So we are looking at something like that. 12 by 5p square. We have a square term also. 6 by 25 into p. We have a linear term also, plus 1 by 125. And 125 is 5 cube actually, right? So now, what is that we are looking at? This is 5 square. What else? So square and cube, everything is there. What identity should I be using? Pause and think if you're not able to figure out by now. So it can't be squares of stuff, obviously. It has to be cube of things. This is too big and it's not related. Okay. Can this be? No. No. Right? It has to be something like this itself. Is it not? So what formula are we looking at? Plus or minus? Oh, it's clearly plus. So it has to be a plus b the whole cube. So we are looking at a plus b the whole cube. The identity that we have to use here is a cube plus b cube plus t square b plus 3ab square. Okay. Somehow we have to write all of this in this terms. Okay. So we have to figure out that. Let's start with a p cube. So that would be your 8p cube. That would be your a cube. So this can be written as 2 cube into p cube. This is very simple, which is equal to, that's equal to 2p the whole cube, using the identity a to the power of n into b to the power of n, which is ab whole to the power of n. Okay, that's good. Next, we need b cube. This is not a cube. This clearly is not a cube. This can be a cube. How? Quite simple. Let me change the color. 1 by 125 can be written as 1 cube by 5 cube. Okay, and this can be written as 1 by 5 the whole cube. So this is a to the power of n by b to the power of n, which is equal to a by b whole to the power of n. Right guys, so please get familiar with all of this. You have to. Okay, right? Now we are done with a cube and b cube. My trick is stop over here. Just write it. Write what? See. A cube is 2p the whole cube. B cube is 1 by 5 the whole cube. Plus 3 into a square is what? 2p the whole square. Into b is what? 1 by 5. Plus 3 into a is what? 2p. And b square is what? 1 by 5 the whole square. Don't even think about is it right or wrong. It will be right. If you want to verify, you can always verify. 3 into 2 square is 4 by 5. 12 by 5. Do we have 12 by 5? Yes. P square? Yes, p square. Done. So by default, it will be there. Okay, guys. So end of it, you will have this entire thing is equal to 2p plus 1 by 5 the whole cube. This is a plus b the whole cube. That's it. Got it? So that's how you go about solving this. Understood? It's very simple, provided you just have to recognize, okay, this is the identity, and then recognize this is in form of cube, this is in the form of cube of a term, right? And then write that and everything else will fall in place. So very simple trick. Okay, but yes, there is a bit of math that we need to do initially, and the answer is there in front of you. 2 to 3 marks easily.